guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be sharing with you 6 home styling tips that you should know if you want to change up the design of your home. There is no place like home. It is the place where you can feel safe and relaxed. It is also the place where we leave and return to every day. Hence, it is important that our safe place is suitable for our lifestyle and portray the mood and atmosphere we would want to come home to. Home decor is one of the things that can express how you feel and live. A well-decorated home can effectively put you at ease and keep negative moods at bay. After all, who would want to come home to a dull or plain room? Therefore, decorations such as paintings or displays are good additions to your home to make it more visually appealing. Sparing some time to apply various design principles will also enable you to feel a sense of ownership because it personalizes your space according to your preferences. It serves as a reflection of you and how much you value the place that you call home. Without further ado, let me share with you the 6 home styling tips to transform your home into something you can proudly call your own. The first tip would be to keep in mind different color tones and in particular, earth tones. Earth tones are rich, warm colors that give a sense of comfort when you're surrounded by them. Equally suited to interiors and exteriors, modern and rustic styles, earth tones have the potential to be just as lively and interesting as other colors. The colors of sand, clay, craggy cliffs, fields of wheat, and freshly dug potatoes. Earth colors are grounding and natural on their own, but work well with brighter hues too. Embracing earth tones like olive green, yellow ochre, and burnt orange are shades that not only bring warmth into the space, but also connect you to nature. These colors are reminiscent of natural elements of the earth. For many of us that spend most of our time indoors, working from home, this creates a welcoming feeling. That does not mean you need to go neutral or too safe. Bold can come from darker doors or having darker contrasting warm tones against a lighter tone. However you want to use it in your home, earth tones will forever be timeless. Another thing you should keep in mind would be tranquil hues. Think of how colors have different shades like hot pink and pastel pink. The different hues give you a different feeling. This is because color has a direct correlation to our mood. Some colors contribute to a relaxing ambiance in a home. It has an enormous impact on us psychologically, emotionally, and even physically. If you are feeling stressed, you can use color as a stress management tool. Some examples of tranquil hues are blue, green, pink, white, violet, gray, and yellow. Tranquility does not necessarily have to mean soft pastel hues, delicate white bed linen, or bright light-filled spaces. The opposites, such as dark and rich-toned interior color palettes, can actually create a space that is character-filled, serene, restful, and uplifting. Check out this wonderful bedroom. It is moody yet balanced, with a hint of stylish nonchalance. If you are looking to create a tranquil environment in your bedroom or indeed any other domestic space within your abode, simply add raw timber floorboards, dark melancholic hued linens, matched with a rich wall color and simple adornments, such as repurposed furniture or accessories. Our second tip would be to keep a lookout for curvy shapes. Organic shapes are an incredibly popular addition to minimalist or contemporary rooms. These modern rooms stick to basic, essential furnitures and often have several black and white contrasts with an occasional splash of color. Organic shapes can help soften this look and prevent it from looking too bare or empty. Incorporate curved edges in different parts of the room, including couches, tables, lighting fixtures, or window frames. You can still have traditional shapes such as squares and rectangles, but make them more organic by muting the edges. Although this design trend is a throwback to the 60s and 70s, curvy shapes have emerged with a modern twist. Having an organic form invites tranquil energy of nature into homes. This design simulates waves which offer softness and peace in a space we crave. Our third tip would be to not ignore patterns. I feel that patterns have gained notoriety for being tacky at times. However, if done right, they can complement and give your home a stylish edge to prevent it from being dull. When a pattern is mentioned in interior design, It is easy to associate it with a geometric patterned wallpaper or colorful prints on interior fabrics. But patterns are created constantly in interiors, often in ways you might not expect. And they play an important role in a scheme. Patterns give you the ability to bring energy, interest, and contrast into your design. And when patterns are done well, they bring a room together and give depth to your space. It can easily add drama, dimension and direction, and spatial design in your home. Our fourth tip is to incorporate a biophilic design. We're missing out on the essential psychological and physiological benefits that exposure to trees, fresh air, mountains, and bodies of water provide us with. Essentially, biophilia is changing the way we work, live, and operate within the built environment, and can be defined as humanity's innate need to connect with nature and the natural environment. Having this design incorporated into your homes can blur out the boundaries between the indoors and outdoors, just by using natural and local materials. Here are some of the benefits of a biophilic design. Our fifth styling tip is to find balance. Balance and symmetry bring in elements that ease tension on the eyes. It prevents it from being drawn in multiple directions, creating a sense of chaos and confusion when you are in the space. Humans are naturally drawn towards symmetrical shapes or designs due to its visually pleasing properties that gives you this feeling of completeness. Therefore, always ensure that when you are styling your home, always take into consideration contrasting colors, sizes, and even patterns to maintain balance. And last but not least, the final tip is to know the importance of texture. What is texture? It is defined as the sensations caused by the external surface of objects received through the sense of touch. Texture adds visual weight and balance to the space. Rough textures are more likely to make a space feel intimate and grounded, while smooth textures bring a sleeker, more aloof tone to the room. You should also consider the placement of textures as you go about designing a room. Putting a smooth texture directly next to a rough one will make the rough textures seem weightier than if you space them apart. Use distance to determine how subtle of a visual weight you would like to achieve. One of the easiest ways of really amping up the look of your space is by playing with textures on pillows. Firstly, it's really affordable because you can just buy inserts. Plain inserts can be used as an inner cover, and you can use different outer pillow covers to match with your current decor. You can easily match it with new color palettes that you're bringing in. So definitely consider doing pillow inserts and pillow covers instead of buying a whole new pillow when styling your pillows. Remember to style them in groups of 3 but also at different sizes. Here are a few other ways to incorporate texture into your home. And those are the 6 styling tips we have for you when styling your home. Let us know how you feel about this video, and do tell us what would you like to learn next down the comment section below. Do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we'll post our next lesson. We hope you enjoyed our video and thank you for watching. Bye!